Hey and welcome to Alpha One. So in this video we are now going to continue building up our small account with binary option robot. This robot is Alpha One iBot. We started with $100, we are now built it up to 400 and let's see how we do today. You can run this robot also, just use the link you find up there right now or just use the link you find below the video. Also below the video you'll find a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit, so make your first deposit count. Then also make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. Also below the video you find a link to my free Telegram Forex signal group. Make sure you join that one also, if you have interest about these type of things, of course. But now let's start up Alpha One iBot. And one more amazing win with Alpha One iBot. You can see our balance are now at 451, so we are building our account quite fast. We started with $100, so now start to be more and more fun to run this robot. You can use this robot also, link below the video, and make sure you use the promo code also. So with that, have an amazing day.